In a time of trial, three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, stood firm in their faith, refusing to bow to King Nebuchadnezzar's golden idol. Their courage led them to be thrown into a blazing furnace, a dire punishment for their unwavering devotion to God. Miraculously, they emerged unscathed, walking freely amidst the flames, unharmed, accompanied by a fourth figure who appeared divine. This profound miracle revealed God's power and faithfulness, inspiring countless believers. The event is a powerful reminder that, even in our darkest hours, God's presence can protect and empower us. Thank you for joining this miraculous journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring stories.